Hello everyone, this is Saurabh Gupta and here is an interesting circuit of a voltage controlled current source. This circuit will source current to this resistor. This resistor is 1 ohms resistor, so therefore for 1 volt of input voltage, the total circuit will source 1 ampere of current across this resistor. Therefore, if I provide 0.5 volt across this circuit will provide 500 milliampere of current across this resistor. So let's see how it is working. For testing this circuit, I have connected a bench power supply. The bench power supply has two channels. I am using one channel for 0 volt input and the other channel is for the input voltage. So let's see how this circuit is working. So I am slightly increasing the input voltage. As we can see, proportionally the current across the second channel is increasing depending on the input voltage. So if I increase little bit, so for 0.5 volt input voltage I am getting 500 milliampere of current across the load resistor. So other information is available across the document. So this is how voltage controlled current source work. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.